Well, I am giving you a 24-hour warning. This is it. Sell the kids, sell the wife, keep the golf membership. That is okay. And some of you guys asked me about this screen that comes down. You're like, it's not real. It is real. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to touch. Let me see. Let me click that button there. How is it even possible that I can copy a link? See, you can even hear it. Listen to me bang on this thing. Here, noise. It's real. I know some of my tech guys are like, I think I know how he did that. He did it post-editing. No, I didn't. But it's just pure magic. I just wave my hand. But in this video, I am offering you absolutely no solutions. To when the musical chairs stop, there is going to be nowhere to sit. And I can't give you the exact date that this is all going to go down. It's like when you look outside and you see clouds and you see the rain, because I can see the rain from the clouds outside right now. But you know, is it 100% that it's going to rain today? I don't know. But we have an $80 trillion. Yes, we've heard about our debt. No, an $80 trillion FX market. That's like other countries. That's the euro dollar. That's all the nonsense that goes outside the US. Those are the currency swaps that you will not see on balance sheets. But all it takes is one member like Credit Suisse to tumble, like Lehman. Remember that? All it takes is one. There will be no way that any Fed chair will be able to save this. And we're going down the same yellow brick road as we do every 10 years. And then maybe Jerome will also be Person of the Year. And they did give Ben Bernanke Person of the Year in 2019 for saving us. Well, right now we have Jerome, who's coming in to save the day with raising rates. And that's this week, just in a few hours, we're going up. But the problem is, can the world take it? I get a lot of pushback on this because you say, well, yeah, it could take it. I mean, Paul Volcker, man, do you know what he did, Bravo? Do you have any idea? Yes, I actually do. The Federal Reserve Board, led by Volcker, raised funds rates, which had an average of 11% in 1979 to a peak of 20%. Put your money in a savings account. But here is the problem. 11% to 20% on just a little bit of debt really doesn't make that much of a difference. I mean, it makes a difference, don't get me wrong, but we're currently leveraged. Well, we're not as leveraged as the rest of the world. Unbelievably crazy. The euro dollar, it's at least 4 times bigger than our dollar. Once it goes outside, they leverage like crazy. They have no pristine collateral. It is a gigantic flustercluck of $80 trillion, and they call it a blind spot. And I'm going to go with a little more than a blind spot. That will destroy the entire world. So you better have a hole and a shovel. When this system locks up, there's only going to be a couple safe havens. Sorry. So back in the day with Volcker, 930. That's not trillion. That's billion. We're not even at a trillion yet. Oh no, but they rose rates. Yeah, look, I mean, even look, debt per taxpayer. You were at 12 grand. You could pay that off lickety split. I mean, jump to today. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Look at that. You owe $250,000. That's what you have to pay on top of the taxes you're currently at. National debt, 31 trillion. Oh, and the only way to fix the system is you got to make more of this. That's actually the only game in the world. And we have a financial system that is only created out of debt. Money, and I know I get pushed back in the comments section, you charge your card, debt. You go into a bank, you say, hey, I want a loan, debt. And I know a lot of you guys say, well, silver's not debt. Well, you're correct in that. Oil is not debt, silver's not debt, gold's not debt, Bitcoin is not debt, so yes. But our system uses debt as money. Well, until there comes a day that the system locks up. When a Credit Suisse or something, I don't know what it is, but it always happens right after right now. That's when you have the one end of the curve steeper than the other end. It's a yield curve inversion that we've never seen ever. And whenever it looks even kind of a little bit bad, I mean, in the euro dollar, we got it. In this one, in ours, we got it. You see where the stock market's at right now? Pfft. See that? Yeah, it'll look like that. Because right now the system says those are assets, those are that's money, that's, I'm sorry, pristine collateral or collateral. And the system, the Fed's like, nope, we're going to tighten our belt, basically wiping out the world because they're all on the same system. That would be corporate bonds, equities, covered bonds. This is all just fugazi. It's just debt created out of thin air. Mortgage-backed securities, those ended really well. Asset-backed securities, you have money market securities, bank loans, and last but not least, gold, which kind of looks like this. This is big gold. I have a lot of it. I have a big, this thing's heavy. Well, I mean, kind of heavy. It's kind of empty too, but yeah, silver, gold, things of that nature. And I always say, hey, do you have at least 1% of your portfolio in something that's real? Because it's fun to trade this stuff. Do it all day long. I could make digits go up all the time. But Bravo, you said markets go down. Markets been going up, Bravo. Really, look at the blue line over there. See the major indices? See that? Which direction? Yes. You had a bear market bounce. Oh, you want to know when it's going to turn around? This would be in the S&P 500, also known as SPX, also known, if you want to trade it, it's SPY. And with my eye, I can see a trend line. Can you? Well, here, I will draw it for you. It's that orange one right there. Goes all the way back to your all-time high. And I said that there is a high probability that it will get rejected exactly on that orange line, which it got rejected exactly on the orange line. If you'd like to learn about it, grab my bear market course down below so you can do it and you don't always have to come here and ask me questions. And just in case you want to know where we are going to go after this, isn't that great with this? I could tell you where we're at, where we're going. I mean, with pretty good accuracy, I would say for the most part. You're going to break there, okay? Then your price target is right there, $3,615.58, which you've already broken that. So bye-bye, S&P 500. Hit your CTA zone. That's where all the computers click sell if you cross that little red line. And then it will move you quickly all the way down there. You also have a confirmation right there on the MACD. It's a roll-in. Like what your dad used to say, what goes up must come down. Well, we're going to be coming down. Hey, Bravo, if you're so smart, well, then what's going to go up? Oh, I'm glad you asked. I mean, what? You don't get this kind of information on mainstream media? Oh, is that why you subscribe? Because you want to be smarter than 99.9% of all humans. You can even go to your Christmas party and tell everyone where the stock market's going. You don't even have to use my name because you started with my bull market course and now you're in my bear market course. So you can trade both sides, and this is the dollar. This is a bull. How do we know that it's a bull? Well, you see that, see how it goes up? That's one good indicator. You want to turn on another one? What about the 200? Oh, hey, looky there. Exactly price target 200, lands on it as support. Cha-ching, Bravo gets another one. Also, just to let you know, when dollar go down, Bitcoin go up. When dollar go up, Bitcoin go down, and also other indices. So guess what do you think is going to happen? No, Bravo, the wise men said that I am going to get a Santa rally. No, maybe, I don't know, but I'm just showing you here is big picture. Oh, you see the little reversal? Oh, on the dollar, you want to trip out? Hold on, I'll pull this in just a second. I want to see how far away we are from the 200-week moving average. Oh, you're really far away. Yep, you might not even see it. You might, but this actually falls on that white trend line, right? See that white one right there? You go down, yeah, you see where that actually could happen. I would highly doubt it's going to drop underneath it because the entire world is starving for dollars. And again, when the music stops playing and the chairs get removed, this is where they run. There is no way that Volcker or Bernanke or Powell or anyone is going to fix it. Oh, and I went ahead and I made the MACD a little bit bigger for you. See where we're at? We're down there. Go back in time. Go back to, this is called overbought, oversold. This is oversold. This is where you want to be buying. And I will show you how to do it. And we're just paper trading here, not financial advice. Also, I can draw this line. I can take this line. And so you can go, oh, I saw one time there, Bravo, where it was lower than that. Here, I'll draw that line. See the red line? Now let's just let's go back in time and see if we can find it any lower. What where was that? 20. Oh, okay. 29. All right. 2009. 2009. We just hovered around it in 2010, right? You getting it? And I know you might be saying, but the dollar is so high right now. Actually, UUP's at 28 bucks. This up here, when it was in that zone, that's my Lux Algo zone, you got to take profit. So in the end, what actually could happen with the dollar, it could just rip like everyone's face off, the whole system. You got to reset it. It's not working. You're collapsing everything. The world is burning, and they go, hey, we have a solution. But your solution right now is just click that little plus button. Click, you don't want to add an alert. You're going to want to create a new order. Also, did I remind you that in my Bravos daily watch list, I give you what I am trading? Some things that I do on the tubes I don't include. Sometimes I do. Trust me, if you are in my Bravos daily watch list, you're getting all of it. I can't trade too much on the channel because everyone's like, that's it. I can't do the lines, but you click buy. Oh, look, I just bought it. It's that easy. That's called buy low, and then you got to wait, and then I'll sell high. But you won't know how to do this if you have not taken my course. So please get on board with all of us. Learn how to do it so when I'm talking, we can all do it together. Take advantage of whatever holiday code I'm running down below, and then subscribe, because then I tell you about this stuff, and then I tell you how close, or, you know, I guess you could probably, after you've done, you know, my courses, you could probably do it all on your own. So I've probably just fired myself. That actually, wow, that sounds kind of relaxing. Like to actually take a day off. I think I've done this for about 7,000 days straight, but it is okay. I have passion. I love you guys. Stay free, make some more cheddar, and I will see you tomorrow.